Hello. Today we'll discuss about DMGR configurations versus inheritance. How inheritance helps with the DMGR configuration and cells will be shown in the clear picture. Okay, see, this is the inheritance. Inheritance nothing but inherit the parent properties to the children. Okay, that is, I will show you the diagram. Parent Parent inherits the property of the children. Children inherits inherits the properties inherits the property to the children. Nothing but one is one is children consists of school fees. Another one is expenses. Expenses. They will give expenses. Okay. After that, pocket money also they will give pocket money and etc. Pocket money also they will give etc. These are the inherits the property, inherits the property to the children. This is nothing but class A. Class A inherits to class B. I will explain how DMGR will configure with exact inheritance. I will show you that example. Class B. Class B. Now I will explain how DMGR will works in the real-time scenarios. This is DMGR deployment manager. Manager as a parent class. Deployment manager is the parent class. Application server is the parent class. Application server is the children. One parent have so many children, two or three children. Okay. One parent have so many children. One parent have so many children. Okay. Now this is application server. Class have their own properties. Okay. Application or custom server. The application or custom servers. We can assume that it is men and it will look like women. Okay. Woman. It look like woman. This is class A inherits the properties to class B and class C. It is A class. This is B class. This is class C. Okay. Class A and class B and class C. Class A inherits the property to the children. Okay. If any applicable here, any configuration changes, it will reflect to both men and women here. DMGR reflect any configuration changes. It will reflect application server and custom profile, whatever it is there. Okay. But it will their own children only. Okay. Their own children, nothing but federation. Okay. After federation, they will get children's. The children, nothing but node agent. Okay. I will written here. After federation, we will get we will get node agent. Node agent. The federation, nothing but children's for communication between parent and child. That is nothing but DMGR2 application server. Dmgr to application server. After federation, we will get node agent. Node agent nothing but a children. Mediator. Mediator nothing but node agent. Nothing but love and affection. Node agent nothing but love and affection and easily interact with the children during that scenarios. Okay. If anything gives to the children, uh, they will communicate. They will communicate via names. That is nothing but application servers or custom servers. If anything give to the children means this. This is the children class, child class. This is the child class. We can assume that, okay? We can assume that this is the child classes, okay? If anything gives to the children by using love and affection and all the things we can give, okay? Like this same thing in the Dmgr configuration also same. It will give smoothly configurations. Those who are federated the node to the Dmgr, it will give configuration changes and deployment changes that is happened in the Dmgr automatically reflect into their own application servers and custom profiles in their cells. Okay. Suppose any changes in the Dmgr, it will reflect into the entire cell. Dmgr nothing but a administration. Administration means family. Family consists of parent. Parents are the most important role in the family. They will motivate the children and educated and they will discipline the all things consider into the parent and child class relationships. That is nothing but inheritance. Inheritance means acquiring property from parent to children. That is inheritance. Inherit the parent to child. They will give motivation classes. They will give expenses for this. We can take care by the parent. Like that, here also a DMGR purpose. DMGR is the most critical resource in the WebSphere application server. Version 8.5 or version 9.0. Before 8.5, there is no DMGR. They will own Express and base versions are available. Okay. This is one of the most example for DMGR versus application server. Every profile have their own configurations. Every children have their own configurations. Okay. And every men and women have their own configurations are there. Okay. Means every their own thoughts are there. But it is a parent and child relationship means it's called love and affection. All the things will declare, will discuss. If anything, will discuss internally and they will move further. Okay. Like that, DMs are also communication. This is any changes are there, any bad changes, any good changes, any minor changes also it will affect into the entire the family, entire family in the DM in WebSphere Prospective. And the family nothing but a DMGR and application server. DMGR is the administration part of the entire cell. So in this prospective, DMGR, any changes in the DMGR class automatically reflected into their own children's nothing but here class B and class C. Class A is the parent class, children class. Class A is the parent class. Class B and class C is the children class. Children's nothing but application servers or custom profiles. Okay. In these scenarios, I will explain what is the inheritance. There are multiple types of inheritance. Think of single inheritance passed down, family receives from one generation to the next. That is, cookbook has a passed down from grandparent and superclass. Okay, this is the example. Parent inherits the grandparents, add new receipts like this. Okay, this is the one of the example. I will show you multi-level inheritance example. Class A inherits the property of the class B. Class B inherits the properties of the class C. Let's understand real life analogy. Vehicle and land vehicle, car, electrical car. Okay, electrical car, battery capacity and charging time, and car consists of seating and capacity. Their own properties, they inherit. Based on this, we can use this is the real world, and based on this is the land vehicle. This is the vehicle. In the vehicle, weight, color, start and stop, everything is there. Okay, like this. This is the hierarchical inheritance. Class A inherit the properties of the class B. Class B and class C and class D. Both are inherit their own properties to the parent to the child. This is say school member. This is the parent. This is the DMGR. DMGR and school consists of teachers and students and staff. In the DMGR consists of their own configurations, means own profile configurations, and in the DMGR consists of application servers and custom profiles and any management server cell profile. Any management servers are real life examples. This is the one of the most examples in the DMGR configurations and cells. Okay, this is the DMGR. DMGR consists of profile. DMGR consists of own management console is available, inherits the property in this DMGR cell. This is the one of the cell. This is the one of the building. In the building consists of family members and the students and faculty or any staff, their own living in their perspectives. Okay, this is the example of the DMGR. Multi inheritance, multiple inheritance or hybrid inheritance. This is class A inherits the properties to class B and class C. And class B take a properties of class B and class D. Class D also takes properties of the class C. Okay, this is one of the inheritance. Okay, like this, we have understanding in the WebSphere DMGR and configuration cells. One of the most critical configurations are there. I will show you the real-time example. CD, OPT, IBM, WebSphere, App Server. Under the bin, I will show you. I will create one profiles in the real-time scenarios. /manage profiles.sh hyphen create hyphen profile name. This is I will create. This is application server profile. I have one application server profile is there already. I will create. This is application server 2 profile. Okay. Hyphen profile path /opt IBM WebSphere app server profiles under the APPSRV02. Okay, APPSRV02 hyphen template path slash OPT IBM WebSphere app server profile templates. Under that default template, their own templates are available. Hyphen cell name APPSRV underscore cell 2 hyphen node name APPSRV underscore node 2. Okay, this is I will use server 1 only. If you want to change server name by using hyphen server name, you can use India or anything. Hyphen server type application server. You can use like this. You can use like this also in the real time scenarios. Okay, okay. See, profile is successfully created. Now we will. I am not any. I am not any federation. This is. I have one Dmgr cell is there. That is single point of the administration. Dmgr is nothing but single point of administration to manage the all application service in the cell. This is the point. Remember in the mind. Okay. I will not federate it. No, means their own configurations, their own cells are there. I will start the server. Server name is India. Why it is calling 1 minute? Sorry. CD profiles app server 2 under the bin. You can run the command. Sorry. Dot slash start server dot and India. India. This is children class. Assume that app server 2 is the children class. Dmgr is the class A parent class. Parent inherit the children properties. I will show you the DMGR and configuration and cells via inheritance, how inheritance is working in the real-time scenarios. See, the in children have their own properties, their own rights. They will go for anywhere. What they will do, what they want, they will do. But parent to parent they will mold to right directions. So like this in the parent in this WebSphere there is a parent nothing but DMGR and children nothing but is a class. India is the server that is a children's class. Okay, inherits the properties, combined the properties to the parent. They will get easily they will get easily their properties to children by using add node.sh configurations. Okay, I will go through this. HTTP 192.168.102.128. What is the port number? 9065. This is the children. Children also their own rights to rule the children have to their own rights. Okay. Sometimes children are doing some mistakes. Parents are correcting this, all the things. So in this scenario, in this perspective, class A inherits the class B properties. Class A inherited properties to class B, nothing but add node.sh configurations. Say here, cd config cells here. Children have their own cell is there, their own cell, their own internally thoughts. Children have own internal thoughts. Okay, see, own configurations. I will go to the Dmgr, cd Dmgr config cells. Dmgr have own cell configurations. In the configurations, this is the children's. This is the children's. In the child, this is the Dmgr. This is the parent. This is the children A, children B. Okay. This is the men and women. You can treat. If anything is changes here, anything changes in the parent class, automatically internally all configurations will be changes into this like that. If anything changes into the parent class, automatically reflect into the children's. That is nothing but class A inherits the properties of the class B. That is the syntax for inheritance. Like that, we can assume that here also inheritance is applicable in the DMGR and configurations through app server and custom profiles also. It will applicable to inheritance methods to inherit the properties to the parent and to child. Here I will add here app server 2. It will anything happen automatically changes into the children. I will show you how to changes. Okay. CD. There is no app server 2 is there. Okay. App server 2. I will show you one more time. Here no DMGR cell is there. Okay. Like this. After federation, it will get parent class also here. Okay. Now we can bin dot slash add node dot sh. Okay. How parent and child inherits means after marriage we will get two childrens, that is inherit the properties to the childrens. Okay. Okay. Add node means nothing but after the marriage they will get childrens by using this, by using their properties, by using their all the things we can get childrens, one or two childrens at a time are based on this. Okay, DMGR master should be running state. I forgot to start the DMGR. Means parent class is master should be live. Without parent, there is no children's. Okay. Without a DMGR, there is no application server profile. It will be very difficult to manage all children's. Okay, like this, you can use. Yes, I will show you the evidence. I'll show this. Now, now it will get inherit the property to the cell, properties to the children. See, DM successfully connecting to the DMGR, successfully connecting to the parent. Okay, this is federation. Now it will get parent is motivated here. In earlier here, their own properties are there. Now this uh, application server is monitored by DMGR. DMGR monitored by DMGR. Okay, monitored by anything he changes here DMGR applicable to here. If anything changes here, parent class, child class, it will reflect into DMGR by using sync-node.sh. Okay, that is sync-node. Anything unwanted changes configurations into the DMGR by using sync-node.sh space DMGR hostname space DMGR soap character port number. Okay, this is inheritance versus DMGR cell configurations. If anything is changes in the parent class, child class, it will applicable to dot slash stops node dot sh. Now I will sync 192.168.102.128.8879. You can sync any properties changes or anything. It will reflect automatically into the DMGR by using sync-node.sh is the command to reflect automatically into the parent class. Okay. If anything is added in the parent class, automatically reflect into the children. If anything children want to be communicated by using sync-node.sh. If anything to wanted to communicate with the parent by using in the DMGR perspective, in the WebSphere perspective. using sync-node.sh is the communication purpose. For in the Java perspective, for a parent inherit the children perspectives. That is, this is the most important scenarios. Okay. If anything want to know about this, please reach out to me. I will explain in detail.